Okay, here's a quick look at the emini S&P for Tuesday, February the 1st, 2011. We'd mentioned on yesterday's video that the 83 area, if the market started to rally above that, I'll just draw that line there, and held above it, then it would confirm that the transition to down had failed and that the bulls are back in charge on an intraday basis. So this, of course, is the market profile from yesterday, and this is today's market profile. The one in the middle here is what occurred overnight. So just stayed below it for a very short period of time here during the overnight session. Spent the bulk of the time above it, and our regular trading hours session had a nice gap opening that was not filled, and the market continued higher. So and made new contract highs. So this is obviously a confirmation of the bulls here being in charge, and we're now looking at possible support in around 93, and maybe at today's low around 80, 89, the 90 area. Other than that, it may only pull back to around 98, but certainly looking on the bullish side of things here once again. There's the market profiles from just the regular trading hours only, and you can see how it gapped up here and had the nice move higher. As far as our trades were concerned today, you can see here we had up arrows. These are for long trades, and we had a couple of indications here for short trades, two of them. So you can also see here that our filter throughout the entire day was, well, virtually the entire day was green. So as a result, with that confirmation of the up auction, obviously we're not taking these short trades here. So I'm sorry, there was another blue arrow there. And so this is our first trade here. Worked out very nicely. Moved quickly, 4 points in our favor. Actually only pulled against us here, as you can see, one tick on that one, and then had a nice 4 point move. And no worse than 2.25 points on our final partial on that one. We were already long when the second trade was triggered, so no trade there. And then this was our second trade here, and it had a nice move too. When it did back off, it had already moved 3 points in our favor, and we were able to take 1.25 points on the final partial on that. So they turned out to be our only two trades today. So with 3.25 on the, or 2.25 on the final partial in the second trade, and 1.25 on the final partial here, it still turned out to be a pretty good day. There was 9.5 points of profit that we had today. So even though this additional move here, and of course this is pretty well sideways for the rest of the day, so there were opportunities, you can see in our balance areas here, for our traders to come on in and buy some extra trades in there with very little risk, as little as 2 and 3 ticks. So all in all, a nice day for trading. And like I said, we do expect more up. It could pull back to about 99. Other than that, the next support down below that would be at around 92, and then down to about 90. So any questions or comments, just get a hold of us at info@eminidaytrader. Always enjoy hearing comments from you. Questions are always welcome. So that'll be it for today, and thanks for watching. We'll see you again tomorrow.